Karibu sana Slim Nyarawende fanpage. Is Ziki Boss Ndogo Jaraah. Really? Shit. Chandu chunyaga mama anibi makueta jaera bi makuetaga nyowino bi makuetaga jaera bi makuetaga mama wanyisiye wachumoro mama wapimni wachumoro mama machandongi managa kapari machandongi managa kapari Mamuna chimo nyara kawacha Mami aparo hanijera Yes Ni budi lari budi minelis budi enengo Twende Pole Wewe Hani waro dia binge na eri Hani waro dia binge na eri Adudonya jodongo mama Iworo dia binge na eri Adudonya jodongo mama Ingeni wechenge machando chunyaga mama Ingeni wechenge machando chunyaga mama Hanibi makueta Jaera bi makuetaga Nyowino bi makuetaga Abito bi makuetaga mama Wanyisiye wachumoro mama Wabimni wachumoro mama Machandongi managa kapari Machandongi managa kapari Mamuna chimo nyara kawacha Mami ambayo hanijaerana Sheri woro dia binge na eri Hani woro mo binge na eri Abitonya jodongo mama I woro dia binge na eri Adudonya jodongo mama Hanijaerana Hanijaerana mama Hanijaerana mama Mama, Atimi Monya, Aninho Inosiki, oh mami, Seri woro dia binge na eriga, mama, Seri woro mo binge na eri, Shemeji jodono mama, Shemeji wachumane machando chunyiga. Avito achmane machando chunyiga Yeni wechenge machando chunyiga Mamuna chimo mama kapari Yeni wechenge machando chunyiga Mamuna neno mama kapari Haribi makueta Haribi makuetaga Nyawino bi makuetaga Toto bi makuetaga mama Anisiye wachumoro Abimye wachumoro Aniye Sheri woro dia mokoro iti Adudo erurumo mama Iyero dia mokoro iti Shibeyi erurumo mama Yes Karibuni sana SNA First of all Salimia Valentina Ocha Elizabeth Tobuni Sinima Naeno Sarnia Komishano Aila Mawudure Monya Kwardayo Jaraah Aila Mawudure Monya Kwardayo Jaraah Wanerenya Tegela ya Molinge Banyu Shima Werno Inya Tokodati Sikiyo Sasa Aila Mawudure Monya Kwardayo Jaraah Aila Mawudure Molinge Banyu Jaraah Ogwelenya Tegela ya Molinge Banyu Shima Wudure Magalagala Nyamaru China Virina Dinya Jodongo Rebo Nyamaru China Virina Dinya Jodongo Hani Nyamaru China Virina Dinya Jodongo Beti Ageyo Gibiro Wudi Jatum Jabayo Ageyo Gibiro Nyisi Jatum Jachoni Aenyatewa Ageyo Gibiro Koni Jatum Jakongo Aenyatewa Gaga Gisemi Nyate Jodongo Gisemaga Gaga Gisemi Nyate Jodongo Gisemaga Wichemagi Konigo Yurodiabo Ginyisaga Deba mapenzi Nyamaru Toto Yoromera Nyamaru Nanyumia Kono Kinyumo Nyiri Udwino Nyamaru Nanyumia Kono Kinyumo Udadewa Semenye Nanyumia Kono Kinyumo Nyiri Inyumo Tianga Nyatiga Diambo Tanyuome Inyumo Tianga Nyatiga Diambo Tanyuome Inyumo Gari Nyatigi Karo Datemne Inyumo Mili Nyatiga Diambo Yitama Inyumo Nage Nyatiga Diambo Detama Imana Taonge Nyalo Mi Bendingeyo Imana Taonge Nyalo Mi Bendingeyo Abito Nyamaro Imana Chuma Berga Kitomuano Abito no Nyuma Berga Kitomuano Aero Nyamare Maneno Mosa Yuya Aero Nyamare Maneno Mosa Yuya Nyamare Wimonda Timne Washumoro Toto Nyamare Wimonda Timne Washumoro Mama Ageo Gibiru Wudi Jatomo Jabayo Ageo Gibiru Jisi Jatomo Jachode Aenyatewa Nyamare Gibiru Kodi Jatomo Jabayo Aenyatewa Kagegi Kodi Nyate Jodongo Ginyisa Ani Enyau Ginyakabo Yes Ondela Mandamos Shimeja Pibo Digani Wechengenye Dwaroka Yoluwa Pibo Dugani Wechengenye Manyoka Mama Onagya Pibo Dugani Temengenye Manyoka Mama Yoluwa Wacho Dugani Wechengenye Manyoka Mama Sama Woko Madega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Sama Woko Madega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Shurino Kodega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Shurino Kodega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Shurino Kodega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Apibo Dugani Wechengenye Manyoka Yuluwa Punyugani Tebengenye Manyoka Mama Sama Woko Madega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Sama Woko Madega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Awina Nijairana Ani Nyamaru Dawirina Hadinya Jodo Kina Pimuni Wechengenye Tomoka Onaya Pimodugani Wechengenye Tomoka Yuluwa Wechunugani Wechengenye Tomoka Sama Woko Madega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Sama Woko Madega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Shurino Kodega Manyo Lemonaganya Time Shurino Kodega Manyo Lemonaganya Time tena hani wajabono hani Sopili majabiri nyire parura Sopili majabiri nyire parura Sopili majabiri nyire parura Sopi mosaga nyola na toto Sopi mosaga nyola na toto Imosa mama monyola jawe Sebeji mosa mama monyola jawe Wabibi mosa mama monyola jawe Mada sundie kwe mwadala wa we Sebeji sundie kwe mwadala wa Yesu bara nyape mabara Selimi nyawenda Yes 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 Selimi omishado Omi
Thank you so much. Amazing, amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, watching from wherever you are, we welcome you to this particular party. And of course, you are already joining because it's already late. I'm telling you. Tonight, we have Ndogo Jaraah live. And first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce each and every one of you to this particular party and to this particular show. It is Ndogo Jaraah live. If you are not watching, then you are missing a lot because this is the party tonight and we are streaming live straight and exclusively on Slim Nyar Awendo Facebook fan page. So if from wherever you are watching, kindly share with your friends because we are already live. And of course, before we continue, I would like to take this opportunity to do a few steps, to go through a few steps before we continue. First of all, my name is Simi Kenya and I'll be your host for tonight, courtesy of Slim Nyar Awendo and Ndogo Jaraah live. And right now, before we continue, during this ending week, actually, we lost one of the Luo Ohangla musicians, Bernard Onyango Obonyo, famously known as Abenija Chiga, who was laid to rest the other day. And as we are all aware, we kindly and honestly send our notes of condolences from this particular live stream and wish the family the best during this grieving season. So having done that, I would like to take you through the team that is going to entertain you tonight very fast before we can kick off the party officially. And right here with me is Ndogo Jaraah with the Blessed Ohangla Band. And I'm going to do just a brief introduction. Right on my left hand side, we have Tony. Tony is a vocalist and the backup artist of tonight's party. And right behind me, we have Simba Wudolare, Vicky Wudolare, mostly known as Simba Wudolare. So Simba Wudolare is our keyboardist for tonight and the main keyboardist of the Blessed Ohangla Band. And right on my right hand side, we have Henry. Henry is our shaker for tonight. And next to Henry, we have Paul Makachali. right there. He's also supporting the shaker. And behind Paul, we have Nelly. We have Nelly. Behind Paul, we have Nelly, who is also assistant keyboardist right here during this particular live session. And at the back there, I hope our camera is able to focus on him. That is our drummist or drummer, known as Mandela. So as you watch this particular live, we would like you to know the people who are going to entertain you and give you the best tonight. And of course, as we start the party, we would like to welcome each and everyone from wherever you are watching from the United States of America. Hey. Okay, watching from USA, be it Eastern, Western, Northern, Central. Okay, if I say USA, you know, I don't want to behave like our pastors. You know, pastors like wasting time. They will come and tell you, Kanisa Northern Kenya imeharibika. Kanisa Western Kenya imeharibika. Kanisa Southern Kenya imeharibika. Kanisa West Eastern Kenya imeharibika. Kanisa the whole Kenya is okay, imeharibika. Fine. Si angekuja tu kitambo na aseme kanisa Kenya mzima. All right. As we kick off the party, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome each and every one of you. And I can see so many people are already watching right here on Slim Nyarawendo fan page. We have Jeff K. Okoth, our host and sponsor, is already watching. Jacob Vicky, thank you so much, is already watching. We are just going to do a few shout-outs and then we kick off the party officially, those who are already in the party. We already have Benedict Ongoro, thank you so much, is already watching. Nyarokuto, Owachoni Mit Maratari, Slim Nyarawendo, thank you so much. Mami Nyarokuto, thank you so much. Orange Nixon, thank you so much, already watching. Legrand Engineer Wood Phoebe, already watching. Owachono Potomara Tari. Asedi Festus Kasedi, thank you so much. Faris Okoth, thank you so much, already watching. Uni Odis, thank you so much. Owacho Kanyoni Ngoma Owake. MC Tol 254, already watching. Betty Jack, thank you so much, Mami. Uni Odis, thank you so much. Otieno Martin is watching from Kisumu, thank you so much. Chris Pass. Crispas Magovi Luvai, thank you so much, watching all the way from United States of America. All right, Aleos Caballeres, thank you so much, already watching. Alex Manya is watching. Legawa Jr. is watching. Paudrian Dennis is watching from Kisumu City. Rafael Georges watching. Anokoth watching. Masiburu, thank you so much, already watching. Chandito Okchanda inakusumbua na inusumbui is already watching. Okoth, thank you so much. Manokoth Soja, thank you so much, watching. Shakila Atieno, already watching. Sami Jabondo, thank you so much, watching all the way from Kisumu City. Kodiambo Kings, already watching, and we appreciate each and every one of you who is already in the party. Hey. Nyargi Avik is already watching. Thank you so much. Godfrey Jaote, Geoffrey Jaote, thank you so much, is already watching. Those are just a few of our fans and friends and supporters who are already watching and are in the party. Kindly share with your friends so that you don't enjoy the party alone. Right about now, without wasting time, we're gonna have so many segments. We're gonna have music, we're gonna have icebreaker segments, and we will be having a good night. I promise you, this is where to be tonight. Thank you so much. Like I said, my name is Simi Kenya and I'll be your host for tonight. So right about now, I would like to introduce Ndogo Jaraah one more time to give us some 3 or more good songs before we come back with the icebreaker, shout outs, mentions, and all that for the people who are watching and supporting us. Thank you so much. I would like to first do what he does best. Assistant keyboardist, as we continue. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Simi, Hayunu Nyerudis, Slim, Feres Okoth. Winye Wood Phoebe la grande batayao. Baba Mani. Haila Kavera ni weru kijiver. Haila Kavera ni weru kijiver. Anira nere Kavera ni weru kijiver. Haila Kavera kamato wachinitie Jaraah. Anaila kawer kama to wachinitie Jaraah. Ogwela tula kiwaga nona dala. Aila tula kiwaga nona dala. Ailo mio kawer kama to wachinitie. Kumulugi ya bitonge mama. Najodo kanyo wino seke. Sheri mama. Nalingio sana. Sane oremo. Ani nyamaro timne di kapadengema. Aero nyamaro ine timne di kapadengema. Osipa mama wachne di kapadengema. Aero lady no yera kauge kata uocha. Aela lady no yera yaga kauge kata uocha. Aero nyamaro no yera kauge kata naga. Aela nyamaro no yera kauge kata naga. Wiloyo nyiwa mangi onaga ge uoche. Wiloyo nyiwa mangi onaga ge uoche. Wiloyo nyiwa mangi onaga ge uoche. Wiloyo nyiwa mangi ofe kuma. Wiloyo nyiwa mangi ofe kuma. Obi okwenye wodere monya kwara dayo era yero kende Jaraah. Osipna bingena iri mama. Osipna bingena iri binyaro dero. Osipna yo bingena iri nyo wino seke. Okiyo nyasuba yawo. Uni nyaro bis. Yes. Ani nyamaro watimne di kapoda gema. Ani yero rebo ine timne di kapoda gema. Aela nyamaro watimne di kapoda gema mama. Osipna mama watne di kapoda gema. Aero nyamaro no yera kauge katananga. Aela nyajodongo no yera kauge kata pesa. Osipna di no yera kauge kata uoche. Aero nyamaro no yera kauge kata uoche. Wangiyo godo kanina parpacho. Wangiyo godo kanina parpacho. Wangiyo godo kacha modielo pacho. Wangiyo godo kacha modielo pacho. Nyamaro kanariga wei ka pesa dojo. Shomeji nyamaro kanariga wei ka pesa dojo. Shomangenyi timo dino. Adiru nyawo delete amanade yao. Aero nyamaro bimak badaka chuwariado. Yowina nyamaro bimak badaka chuwariado. Osipna mama bimak badika nyirariado. Yowina nyamaro bimak badika nyirariado. Aniro nyanyodongo bimak badika nyirariado. Ani nyanyodongo jangima wasongo lave dir boma. Feroz, ani nyanyodongo ani wasongo lave dir boma. Ani nyanyodongo ani wasongo lave na penyegem. Nyanyodongo nyo wina siri. Habito no nyul maber kakutu mwanu. Ani nyanyodongo chinga virina ani nyanyodongo. Ulugi nyatena. Neli wudewa, shima wudeleri wudemina lishi. Manela mus. Nyamaro chinga yudi kure kimanyonyiri. Aniro nyamaro na yudi kure kimanyonyiri. Ani nyangima bimo nina nakaparonge. Oshimna mama goni uritini werurumo. Aniro nyanyodonga goni uritini werurumo. Karuoko shano to medwa ngima. Chak thuma bito ne tiende, chak thuma bito ne tiende. Yes, hiyo ni kitu kipya. Thank you sana. Thank you sana. Chaka bito tiende. Yes, Cherise. Alice wona mama siba wodo lare wona bola wewe. Wudi sip jogo nyosugo. Ai. Mandela Bros. Sura mano nyuligo Tigani no tomore, kiwe josura no chwigo, osieto ni no tomore, kiwe josura manu nyuligo, tomanya ni no memora, nangani yuoro modiegi, nangani yuoro modiegi, sura ni no nyathi jodongo disiga, sura ni no nyathi jodongo disiga. Shiri woro mera ni jodongo, hawiri na denge mana mama. Nyathino bedo wankuoro gonyo yude, yes. Ani woro dis ni jodongo, winge na erienge mana mama. Osiepe make sumu mopenjo lady jogo nona karo. Wetego wuode Phoebe mopenjo lady jogo nona karona. Ija Aisha osiepa mopenjo lady Aisha penja karo. Chorana mama. Okinyo nyejo suba mopenjo lady jogo nona karo. Udi nyaro dis mopenjo lady jogo nona mama. Shiri waro nyengo ni nyajo dongo, hawiri na denge mana. Carolina Binena, Oni Nyata Jodogu, Carolina Bimosa, Bibi Nyata Jodogu, Carolina Binena, Ucho Modala Nyati Jodogu mama, Bibi Odala Nyati Jodogu mama, Kata moto na motniga, Namati moto na bako, Kata moto na motniga, Niaye, Kata moto na moti, baby na oi, na boy toilet paper ber mama. Oni wara nyengo ne nyajo dongo, hawiri na doshimu na yo. Oni ayuro diamo, Carolina goodbye. Carolina Riti, Yarana Tawe, Gimagobai, Yarana Tawe, Gimagobai, Umorumo Nawe, Gimagobai, Carolina, we. Twendeni sasa, twendeni. Karibuni sana wageni wetu wa diaspora. Thumena mos Nyakukinyi, karibuni sana wageni wetu wa diaspora. Kumbuka tuko na MC Simi, ngamaneta chenro wangoka MC Simi. Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're enjoying the party because it is already lit. I'm telling you. So many people watching, and like I told you, man, this is a whole party. People watching from United States of America, United States of, okay, those are the United States, United Kingdom. We also have people from Norway, Beatrice Aumokech. All right, so before we continue, I would like to introduce a friend and my co-host for tonight, and I hope you're gonna love what we have for you tonight. One of the fastest rising comedians, MCs, and hosts in the Lakeside region, Ohangla Rhumba, is around. Please come on stage, because we are just about to take this to a whole new level. Kindly help us with the microphone. Okay, fine. Just come this side, yeah. Social distancing. Okay, fine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, so many people are watching. Mr. Omishade, watching all the way from United States of America, and he has already done his thing, man. 50 US dollars. Thank you so much. You know, Ohangla Rhumba.
Yes.
You know, Mr. Omishade is a Nigerian, yeah?
He's a Nigerian.
Hey.
So, he's an Hoga.
Hey, he's an Hoga.
Hoga.
Hey, he's Mr. Omishade.
He's a Hoga.
He's a Hoga.
Fantastic.
Amazing. So, you know, one thing I love with Nigerians. People like Omishade. Watu husema eti Wajaluo wako na ujaluo. Sasa wa Nigeria ndio walileta ujaluo. Hii ujaluo tuko nayo.
They are the people who brought ujaluo. Oh my God.
You know, a Nigerian can make a very small thing look like the whole world.
Yes, a very tiny thing like this, a Nigerian can make to become a
look like the, even how the, and you know, actually, Mr. Omishade happens to be the husband to our sponsor for tonight.
Oh, yeah,
Slim Nyarawendo.
Yes.
So you know, those people, even when they see a beautiful lady,
Nigerian.
Okay, maybe the lady is not that but they will make it look
beautiful and very
you know what I'm talking about, yeah? So a Nigerian can even they will see a lady and tell them, they are now describing the lady. My sister. My sister. If I see you, hey, the president should hear this. So the president should hear that the lady is beautiful.
The lady is beautiful, and the lady is not even
Alafu nasikia akimwambia, do you know that your beauty can save our economy? Surely.
A beautiful girl can save the economy. Now, me, one thing I like with the Nigerians.
Yes.
Okay, the way you have said that they make tiny things look huge. Let us take, for example, if a Nigerian man lends you a keja. A keja is just a keja. It is a keja is just a keja like that. Let us compare if a Kenyan man
lends you a keja,
and a Nigerian man lends you a keja. You know, Kenyans, we understand each other. You know, we are boy child understand each other.
We know how to do it.
Now, let me say that I've helped you with a keja. Now you have a date and you don't have a place to get in a kolokolo. So you know you will come.
I don't have a stadium to play the football.
So you know you will come for keja. Yes. And then I give you key. You go do your thing.
I go do my thing.
Okay. Even if you take 10 hours, I will just come there and like, bro, you know, I want to go somewhere, bro. Now just wind up. You know?
Wind up. Time.
A Nigerian lends you a house. You take 15 seconds. My brother. 15 seconds.
You want to take the whole day.
And remember, it is when you have taken 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
Now, and then you know they make small things look big. Now, you want to take the whole day. Twisting your waist.
Now, can we talk to the president to give you the whole day now? Can we talk to the president to give you the whole day?
You need a whole lockdown in my house.
You need us to declare this as a national holiday. So now we just give you a house and you do your thing now.
But Nigeria, we appreciate you, Mr. Omishade. And you know, actually, Mr. Omishade and Slim Nyarawendo, they have a son celebrating his birthday today. It's called Titi.
Titi.
Yeah, so
now Titi is celebrating his birthday.
The son is called Titi.
Okay.
Not what you are thinking about.
Mimi nakumbuka ile rating Titi kama simi.
So actually Titi is celebrating his birthday, and we wish Titi a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And we also have so many people watching. There's a group that I just want to mention very fast before we continue. All right. Wendy Okello, thank you so much. But before that,
yes,
there's a battle. There's a battle here.
There's a battle.
There's a battle that is going on. On that number that we have put on the screen.
Okay, yeah? You know, when you talk of a battle, mimi nakumbuka tu battle ya Goliath na nani?
Na yule Java. I know. So we're just going to do some little mention before we continue.
Proceed.
There's a battle going on. There's a battle going on. Now we have them here. Get me the messages. Right. As we get the messages, we have so many people watching already. Messages.
SMS.
Yeah, the SMS.
Yes.
Yeah, we want to give a little shout out to the people who have already participated.
Yeah.
Kuna mpaka wenye wanasimamisha goba. Achungo to mnogi
$20. Kanya wacho 20 bob.
All right. So we have so many people. Oh, we have amazing people. So right now we have Jefflin Okoth.
Yes.
That is Slim Nyarawendo.
Okay.
Our main sponsor for tonight has already done something worth 5,000 Kenya shillings.
5,000 Kenyans.
That is $50. 5,000.
We appreciate.
Shillings. And then Fares Okoth from United States,
yes,
has done $15. Amesema start with the $15.
I'm still coming. I know him. Sending order.
Then we also have Beatrice wrist bag. Beatrice
wrist bag.
Beatrice
wrist bag.
Not wrist bag. Wrist bag. 10,000 Kenya shillings. Amazing people, and so many people are already trickling. Remember, our number is on the screen, running down there, and the number is 0705 104 462 0705 104 462.
Yes.
Have you seen that battle? That is battle for the queens.
It is now not a battle. It is battle.
For the queens. 3 queens have already started the battle. You know, that's why I love Luo women.
Now you are talking of queens, not kings.
No, queens. Kings are still watching.
Yes.
Queens have already. They say ladies first.
Wang nege bukre.
Kings ang bukre. Now you know the reason why I love Luo women. You know, they say Luo women brag.
They brag.
But Luo women don't.
It is they brag with value. Yes.
That's why if you see a Luo woman, somebody like Slim Nyarawendo, somebody like Beatrice,
British back. My will sweat.
Those are people, even when they want to do something creative, something productive,
yes,
you see them going live for things that have value.
Yes.
And that's why I love even people who are rich. Ingeni lek mar jamoko opogorega gi lek mar
jadhier.
Lek mar jamoko opogorega gi lekni. Owinjore
so ya kanyo ya nyecha uso lo sani boda to gine ne mati
jamoko en ngama kaleko to leko gik manyalo timore ne gik manyalo konyo.
Oko daydream
or dream reality. Somebody like Fares.
Yes.
Ko dream niya, she was going to deposit $10,000, but unfortunately oromogi they needy and omiyogi mano oleko
mano
kuchiwo in reality kuchiwo in reality to
otimo
to koro in iyudo ka ngama jadhier leko ni no yudo gari mano koro leko no yudo pesa
imulo joma jodhier to we mulo go kawan go kaweri go
koro leko niya no yudo pesa koro onyiewo gari ni kaso riembo gache ni to kiro kuom ji chuodho
gima ok nyalre sen ginene Ginene wacho ni sene papo sebo French. Impossible.
Oh, sene papo.
French.
All right, I want to give shout out to people who are already watching. Slim Nyarawendo, thank you so much. Alfi Holy, thank you so much. Wacho ni noma sana.
Ano jama.
Oko ni link to dwaro kisungu chano manade.
No, bere mo Alfi Holy an maka.
Beatrice Agumo Cage, thank you so much watching. Masio Kuto is still watching. All right. We have Maxwell Ojijo is watching. Esther Jared Nyawande, thank you so much watching live. We have so many people watching. Oh my, the comments are trickling in. All right. Jesse Ogola, thank you so much. Emelda Beryl, thank you so much watching. We have Lily Atiz is also watching. Thank you so much. All right. Jacob Vicky is watching. Thank you so much from Houston, Texas, US. Thank you so much. So right about now, before we introduce Ndogo Jaraah,
yes,
to come back with another set of performance,
yes,
I would like to give thanks to everybody who is already watching.
Yes.
And everybody who is
now those
sharing.
people who are watching, yes, let them share.
Yeah.
Now we say tell a friend to tell you mpango wa kando. Watu waambiane tuko live, waambiane tuko live wakuje. Tell your friend to tell you mpango.
And of course, those who have already entered the party.
Yes.
You know, we have a number there.
Yes.
So that number, today we are not having a bonsa at the gate.
Yes.
That number is there. Bonsa.
Yes.
That number is there.
It is cutting the gate.
It is cutting the gate. So those who have already supported us, those who have cut the gate, please, we thank you so much. Please, you can cut the gate via our number that is running on the screen, and of course it is pinned there, 0705 104 462. 0705 104 462. So you can actually support us with any amount. We don't have a specific number. Ukisikia wengine wako na 1,000 na uko na 100,
just
do what? Just store. So we appreciate you so much, each and every person who is watching. And right about now, we would like to introduce Ndogo Jaraah with another set of performance.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Of course, my name is Simi Kenya, alongside
Mr. and Mrs. Olinto Tuaro.
Of course, we will be right back after this particular set of performance. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Mama Titi, Mama Fei, ayo. Sasa sikia rumba, mus. Kunyunya tigi karonya mienda garaje ijara. Kunyunya tigi karonya mienda garaje ijara. Ogwile mawudore monyawere lela ila jara. Ogwile mawudore monyawere lela ila jara. Ranere nyatigi kare molinga pom. Ranere duoda to jiero. Eniero ranere duoda to jiero. Ogwile duoda ema konyo ngimana. Ranere duoda ema konyo ngimana. Talando dogo chiema mashamoga. Omiyango nejela liwono simba sante sana. Anijela liwono simba. Aya. Osipiti dawiro giminga jara. Osipiti dawiro giminga jara. Ogwile nyatigi karo jamienda gara wero jomaero. Ogwile nyatigi leya jamienda gara wero jomaero. Iwero toti nyati ya wendo silimo wada. Iwero silimo nyati ya wendo mamo wada. Mama Fei watem nienduma silimo wada. Mama Fei watem nienduma silimo wada nyaka nyakuala. Ani silimo wada nyaka nyakuala. So Domisa day. Yes. Osiepe mayie konyo ga ngimana Jaraah. Osiepe mayie konyo ga ngimana Jaraah. Iwero nyako mosomo jai. Iwero nyako mosomo jai. Osifero sokota wero gindo makama mama titi. Aila mama feita wero gindo makama mama titi. Osibla graduate fime nyakwara jonyura tego yae. Osib sokota mi kugo luongo. Aila nyar fere sokota mi kugo luongo. Jamere de kisugriane kiweri. Jamere de kichumu malo kiweri. Jamere de kichumu malo kiweri. Iloyo chuma wunda nono getogi ye anyakonyi. Iloyo chuma ko wunda nono getogi ye anyalokonyi. Iloyo sipe ma wunda nono getogi ye anyalokonyi. Osibegi me wiri godo silimo ada. Osibegi me wiri godo silimo ada. Osibu sandore moto winyoero. Ani osibu sandore mo winyoero. Osibu nyanyo soba to winyoero. Osibu kinyi nyanyo soba mo winyoero. Matego ine matemoni no manyaka nyakua layae. Silimo ada. Silimo ada. Ani jaber silimo ada. Yefo ada. Ani nyarokoto ada. Nyagi boni tugulu giga. Yes. Yes. Nyagi kevo. Lili Atis Ogwele nyategele ya jamienda gara. Ana tingo duna malu wonya penye babor Kotunyara bandu. Ana tingo duna malu wonya penye babor. Ogwele duna niye mosaga ito deko dioloka. Anire nere duna niye mosaga ito deko dioloka. Kawuna Jerusalem nyakanya kuala. Ogwele gonya Jerusalem Inyaro nero. Ogwele gonya Jerusalem Ship Elizabeth yae. Valentino Charo Boship imam. Valentino Charo Boship imam. Oh, Aninya gijoji manyako yurjoji. Iwero jaberi jiri yurjoji. Iwero jaberi jiri yurjudi. Oh, ano misade morito rebo. Osipninya isa manyako nyamigori. Osipninya isa manyako nyamigori. Oro lando. Aero mama tudigi mere me ya osipna ya. Anika kieri konya jabiri nyiro sipna ya. Anika kieri konya jabiri nyiro sipna ya. Nyiri nitiere mipimo gichuo. Omiyo nyiri nitiere mirango kachuo. Ogwele nyiri nitiere mirango kachuo. Ichogo Belinda umokeje nyakasaga nyiri nitiere mingiyo kachuo. Manelamos. Ogwele gonyichogo Elizabeth manyaka ila nyiri nitiere mingiyo kachuo. Arepaso wesh. Aya.
All right, thank you so much. Right now, we have a challenge for this song. There's a new song for Slim Nyarawendo.
Yeah.
And there's a big challenge for that song. Now, Beatrice Auma Okech, all the way from Norway, has bought the song with 5,000 Kenya shillings.
Thank you.
But with a rule and an instruction that Slim Nyarawendo also buys her song with 5,000 Kenya shillings. So Slim Nyarawendo, are you ready so that we continue with your song? So that after this, we play Betty's song with 5,000 Kenya shillings. Are you ready? All right.
Yes.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. The biggest challenge of the night. We are just starting the party, ladies and gentlemen. With watching this. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Champion Gara. Champion Gara. Alô, Mama Nyaralego. Hey. Alô, Gina Mama. Yes. Jamien Gara. Ogwelo minatino jamien Gara. Ailara dere nyatigila ya jamien Gara. Ranare duoda nimo makopije. Ailara dere duoda nimo makopije. Ogwelo sauti na nima loko kimana ya e. Sauti umea na loko kimana ya e. Ranere duoda nito jiero. Aila duoda nito jiero. Kawuna wiro magino nyakanya kuala silim. Kawuna wiro mahero nyakanya kuala silim. Video wirika kusipa manyako silim. Osiporamo indwa konyaga jarayo. Osiporamo ndwaga jolaga. Ani nyodo mishane tumulugiga. Ani runyagi boni manyako tumulugi. Ani nyarel faso kor manyako. Yefkei opo. Oya, oya. Ogwele nyatigile ya jamien Gara duoda. Ogwele nyatigile ya jamien Gara duoda. Ranere duoda ni tomoro piny mangima sauti nonegane. Ogwele duoda ni ema moro piny mangima sauti nonegane. Awero sipna yo mahero sama. Awero sipna yo mahero sama. Iwero nyaka nyagwala silim. Iwero mama fei mama titi. Iwero mama fei mama titi. Osi Valentino charo na werina. Osi Valentino charo na werina. Kanyagwala. Osi mudu fibito. Inyenia yao. Osi mdenya isa muinyo wero. Osi panani majolaga. Awero ya uito uodaga. Awero ya uimoko uodaga. Awero ya uimoko uodaga. Okinyo nyasaba. Ogwele nyirie makonyaga moloyo chua ila jara. Nyirie majolaga moloyo chua ila jara. Nyiri nitiere mingi okachua. Aila nyiri nitiere mingi okachua. Elinda umokechi ne nyaka saga mushima ya endo kumochobo. Ogwele belinda umokechi shima nyaka saga mushima ya endo kumochobo. Aero nyaka Valentino charo manyako shima ya endo kumochobo. Aero minyaro dero shima manyako. Manyaro dero kumochobo. Feres okop, feres okop. Selim nekichuma maloka bodo chacho shima ya endo. Selim nekichuma maloka bodo chacho shima ya endo. Alamo uno sipo medinalo. Alamo uno sipo medinalo. Samala mota lebo diga oshima. Samala mota lebo diga oshima. Samala motele modiga osiba. Samila motela managa osiba. Samila motela managa osiba. Nyaka bola kororiti. Ani nyara wendo kororiti. Wotomeje chiwo yopari. Wotomeje chiwo yopari. Koparo modiete pari bene. Seche mokwedo nyithiki bedo gwedi. Kolemo kuond mochani bedo pari. Javeru oriti osiepa yawa. Adela Bush. Ahero ng'ama chiege rach kiting'o bade. Osebed fera sokop. Ma chiege rach kiting'o bade. Ahero miyo ma nyathine rach ng'ama nosega yie chiege rach. Ahero miyo ma nyathine rach kiting'o bade. Jione ye. Ahero miyo ma nyathine rach kiting'o bade. Jione ye. Ahero dhako ma chuore rach kiting'o bade. Onge. Chwech Nyasaye onge richo mama. Ne chwech Nyasaye onge richo mama. Ne dwaro Nyasaye onge richo mama. Ne chano onge richo mama. Dwaro Nyasaye onge richo mama. Pero ne nyathi mabino gi chunya. Kabiri nyiri ne luongi nade. Ani. Ahero pugori ga nyathi madwaro kasna. Kabito wero nyathi madwaro. Jogweng' ang'eyo ganjao. Iro wuodi maber. Jogweng' ang'eyo ganjao. Iro wuodi maber. Osiepa ng'eyo gi it lit. Iro wuodi maber. Bende jogweng' ang'eyo gi wechegi. Iro wuodi maber. Bende warito sigara sema. Bende warito sigara sema. Bende warito sigara sema. Bende watimo kinda ngilamo orosena. Ira ng'ama dwaro. Owila ira ng'ama dwaro ga. Ahero randere gino ira ng'ama dwaro. Oyero puto ira mana mare mama. Oyero puto ira mana mare mama. Rangalo ira mana mare mama. Ya pesa ira mana mare mama. Ya diro ira mana mare mama. Mi fundi wacho manyo mana mare mama.
Thank you so much. Akoni koro toliel. It is now burning. Wherever you are watching, I'm telling you, it is lit. It is burning. It is.
Omeroliel.
Oh, it is.
It is oliel.
It is.
Gineliel. Omoke style.
Yes. Kamugikni.
Kamu chopeni.
Kamugikni.
Ineno kama uchopeni. Kane Ndogo perform werni Yugoslavia. Mani ngeni pokwa dhi Indonesia. Na mielo werni gi mama moro opato chote tiende. Opato chote tiende.
Jikare rwako pato Yugoslavia.
Yugoslavia. Opato ma standard. Opato kakirwako Kenya ka. Mane rwako gachi ginene. Irwako gachi dio.
But Slim Nyarawendo has accepted the challenge.
Yes.
With another
5K.
Lungu pesa no gika koketi. $50. Pass. Now, you know one thing I love about these people. Challenge. They accept challenges very fast.
Yeah. Ingine iwe butter trade. Butter trade made bwana. Ingine ndalo machon ne wawilo gik moko. Unapata ni kuna ng'ombe ya 40,000. Ti igombo chamo mena. Yani in gidiang ma 40,000 ti igombo chamo mena. Ikao dheri ma 40,000 ikelo nata miyo mena disachiel. Life made there.
Tinde jomo fwenyo ringo. Kaka sani ngeni korona keto kech. Siep na mori ngeno se kawa go wiye bocha. En ngeni ka korona rumo tipo madae dhia. But you know, I love people who have.
Yes.
If you go like, for example, Maju. You know Maju? Maab. And by the way, those who are cutting the gate, yeah?
Jomangado gate. Yes.
Tuko na gates ngapi?
Mbili.
Tuko na gates mbili. Gate ya kwanza. Gate ya kwanza ni 07. Tumia 07. Hiyo ni gate ya kwanza. Nanisikia?
Yes.
07 05 104 462. Hiyo ni gate ya
kwanza.
Gate ya
the first gate.
Alafu gate ya juu.
Yes.
Ya watu wa Maju.
Yes.
Gate ya juu ni cash up. Kayode J. Kayode J. Koro kiyudo ka gate mamuolo pong. Tidhi adhiya gate mamalo. To kiyudo ka malo emopong. Tiridori
piny.
Oginya pong gite.
Tatena nyar Williams owinjo wachno.
Bas.
Nyisa ni onge pesa. Koro owinjo margi no.
Owinjo gedi do. Ing'eni gima ero gi Jomaju. Jomaju iyudo ka nitiere, for example, unaona vile wako na do. Iyudo ka wako na tabia fulani. If you ask them something, na anataka kukunyima. To otuni gi reason moro malegi.
Reason moro maduong' makara kineno to ena gimoro ma.
It makes sense.
It feel.
For example, ebu niombe kitu kubwa. Koro ani Maju.
Atimra kama Maju.
Yo man.
What's up, brother?
Nyaki yo man.
Now, I need to go somewhere. Can you lend me your car?
Oh my bro.
Just for 2 hours, bro.
Oh shit, man. I just took my car for repair, man.
Oh my God.
It had a puncture and it will take like 2 or 3 hours. Will you wait, man?
No, I can't wait.
Oh, it's okay. Next time, man.
Okay.
Man, otuoni gi maduong. Reason
maduong.
Ma legit.
Mi ya mawinjore. Legit en gima winjore.
Waningeni watuonore ga gik mathindo. Gi reason moko ma ok.
Maonge.
The pettiest thing. Koro ibiro kwaya gima thin mogik.
Simi. Si unisaidie tisu.
Tishu sijafungua bado.
Simi, si unisaidie tisu.
Tishu poka yao bwana. Ok nionge. Lakini
poko yao.
Even if you go to their even if you go to to the new hood.
Yes.
Koro idar.
Yes.
For example, kaka koro iwuok Nyalenda, idhi dak
tiki kama duong milimani kama daki. Milimani
mapiny koso. Kata gate one kama piny. Do you know? If you want to know where you live,
yes.
You ngeni kama idake, en kama ong'ere.
Yes.
Kidhi tinyiso ng'ato ni adak kama. To it's ni mano ka mano kidhi mwalo kama tiridori bank kama to idonjo gi supermarket mapincha. Manyiso ni kama idake en kama ong'ere.
Yes.
Mani dak kama duong. To kidwa ng'eni kama idake en kama thin. Kinyiso ng'ato ni dak kamoro, tiwinjo kupenj ni mano to kanye. Mano mentie geche madhi kuno.
Moduogo nyisi niya. Dongine midake ot moma nigi thot gidrisi gidake yien. Ya jomoko.
And you know even those people. Ka gidar midhi e hood.
Yes.
Koro idhi idar kamoro. Koro idar New Jersey.
Yes.
Idhi dak.
Wacha kuon go poka thi.
Houston, Texas. Koro idar New Jersey. Idhi dak korgi Jacob Vicky.
Yes.
Kaka girwaki e hood. Give me instructions
Mawinjore. Yes.
Mawinjore. Means now, hey man, you're my new neighbor, man.
Yes.
Oh man, welcome to the hood, man.
Yes.
You know, in this hood.
Mokwongo iluonge ni hood.
Hood. Iluonge ni hood, man.
Ok firewood. Hood.
Welcome to the hood, man.
Yes.
You know, in this hood, we have a lot of security.
Yes.
On Fridays, we have a Christian Union party.
Yes.
And on Saturdays, we can hang out together as the estate members, you know?
Yes.
Yani, give me girwaki maber.
Girwaki manilo ni reception.
Reception. Bas. Waningeni kangato dar modhie.
Obire pilot. Omera.
Okomiyega advice. Imiyega instruction.
Ibuoge. Ibuoge. Yani iketo ngimane kinda kuru gashumbi.
Kora dara bire pulodo.
Simi. Awinjo ni nokeli nyoro. Mokwongo onge tiyo gi dasta ng'ato. Mano onge ka. Ka mane biro ne ka inyalo manyo lawi moro igogo dasta ng'ato onge tiyogo.
Kaso gedwa ni bing'eni koromo sa ariyo.
Ilore. Dong wage kuonde mondike ni umbwa kali hapa.
Tigeni umbwa kali go. Nyithi guoke manie plot.
Tiwacho ni umbwa kali. But we Simi. An ing'eni na wer. An na wer makana chako wer. En mana na nyuondwa noliwa. To ka okiri to koko duonda malit. Sano kanya wer.
Kinindo.
Anyuola nogo duonda gi kidi one. In fact sani ano ka wer locals. Awero mana national anthem.
Idong gi national anthem.
An wende masewero. Ohit.
Bas. Koro ining'eni wendi en wer makiwero. Toke kama bedo pe.
En ga wer moro makiwero. Apani utu ng'eyo. Ang'a mano hit. Ineno chon mane pok onyuol mama mana dak kanero cha. Mane lalo mana hit. Ago thumbe mang'eny. Thum maduoga go mo hit. Mungu nguvu yetu. Mane ng'ende mara. To sani kiwere nyaka uru chuma.
Nyaka ini wuon gi chung.
Tigo e kuonde madongo.
But we appreciate each and everyone who is watching. We welcome you to the party, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, this is the biggest party to watch tonight. All right, Faris Okoth is still tuned in. Jacob Vicky, thank you so much. Lily Atiz is also watching. I'm telling you, this is amazing, amazing, amazing. We also have, hey, you also help me read, man. Help me.
Now, I'm seeing Faris Okoth.
Faris Okoth is watching.
Opamo kamara tari. Shilim nyarawendo nyero.
Thank you so much.
Nganene Lily Atiz. Nyero. Faris Okoth then podo nyere mogolo lewe oko podo nyero. Ya wa mamit. Ngato wacho kania.
Yes.
Ya ye wane nyero entertainment.
Kabisa.
Ema wantie.
Ogol Junior mako dondo. Wacho ni adonjo kendo amor kabisa. Odonji gi gate mane. Ing'eni ogol gini gin joma serious. Gin gidonjo gi gate mamalo.
Gate mamalo.
Mapinyi gi wendo. Kaluwore gi kaka oromo. Neno. Ogol kaluwore gi kaka ogolore. Neno. Wendo donjo gi gate mamalo.
Mamalo.
Koro gate mamalo cha. En at Kayode J.
Kayode J.
One word. At Kayode J. One word. Emo mi yudo ing'eni ya jomalo go gimisomo ne gate pass gi mamalo.
Yes.
Tek mako nikech kaluwore gi joma
gin.
Ing'eni ja pesa en kata signature de. En ga mana tik moro.
Tik. Onyalo go kata dot koero.
Nikech ing'eni okonya gadho mang'eny nikech pesa ma en ga bank ng'eny maka wiyo wil gi signature.
Okay na alama za tukuduku to kalo.
Tiri ing'eni ya ing'ama ni nono.
Omeridwa keto. Iwe ni my title lead. Omera ne ngato wacho kani Jacob Vicky top fan.
Yes.
Nyiso Jacob Vicky niya trying to watch this and working at the same time. Then niya any teach to lidore.
Mano kore working from home.
Yeah.
Uni Odis, thank you so much. Watching all the way from United States of America. All right. Shaz Vez, thank you so much. Alfie Holly, Sylvester Ogolu Woduma. Thank you so much. He's also watching. All right.
Now,
I think before we bring Ndogo once again,
yes,
let's appreciate our sponsor.
Yes,
that is Slim Nyarawendo.
Yeah.
And of course, we can't forget to thank each and every person who has made this possible. Our production team, our members, and of course, there is a team that I really want to appreciate.
Yeah.
The DJ Aisha.
Yes.
Turntable Goddess.
Yes.
Engineer Wood Phoebe, of course. I appreciate you so much. And each and everyone who is watching, each and everyone who is supporting us.
Sharing.
And of course, there's a special list here of people who have actually supported this show. We have Papa Omishade, thank you so much. All right, Faris Okoth, Valentine Ocharo, thank you so much. Elizabeth Ongud, thank you so much. Judy Jack, asante sana. Jacob Vicky, thank you so much. Sande Wodoremu, thank you so much. B Nyar Odero, thank you so much. All right, amazing people there. And of course, there is also another list here. I'm telling you, the party is loaded. The party is heavy. The party is big. All right. We also have Lily Atiz. Thank you so much. Lilian Duogo. Asante sana. Nyarugenya Kagere, thank you so much. Tabitha Asamba, all right, thank you so much. Engineer Achara, asante sana. Jared Oko, thank you so much. Millicent Nyaoke, asante sana. Caroline Arogo, thank you so much. Leah Achieng, thank you so much. And of course, Millicent Agalo. All right, those are special friends that we who like to thank in a special way for supporting this amazing show, live stream all the way from United States of America, Kenya, United Kingdom, and each and everywhere they live in. Thank you so much.
Yes.
You know, one thing before we wind up.
Yes.
You see, Titi is celebrating his birthday today.
Titi.
Huh? Yeah, Titi.
That birthday boy.
I said Titi.
The birthday boy.
Not Titi with ma as prefix. Are we together? Not Titi with ma as prefix. As prefix, yeah. Yeah. So you wind up before we bring that. You know, people like Titi.
Yeah.
Those are kids whose dreams are valid.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
You know, unaweza jua mtoto the dream is valid.
Yeah.
From the parents. You know. Yule ni mtoto anaweza tembea na babake umishadi. And then they see a tall building.
Yeah.
Ghorofa ndefu. Na mwambie, Daddy, I want to have a building like this when I grow up. And the father will advise him appropriately.
Yes.
He will tell me, don't worry, my son.
One day.
Just pray.
Yes.
Your dreams are valid. I'll also take you to school that will make your dream come true.
Omera naleko moro. Naleko na riembo. Shani dong mone mariembo. I'm bado valid.
Kazi yeni iringeni kiwuotho gi babu. Tinyise niya, baba, agombo ni mondo abed gi gorofa machal kama kabedo.
Biro go ipi.
Iwicho go isiki gilwar gi jipinyi dwanego. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we introduce Ndogo Jaraah one more time to bring us another amazing, energetic performance. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands to Ndogo Jaraah.
Yes, we thank our cameraman Omondi MC Goe. I hope he's doing a good job. Omondi Goe is doing a good job. He's our cameraman. Inyalo manye Facebook at MC Omondi Goe, our cameraman. She's a twin. Yes. Jacob Vicky. Lily Atish. Hey. Enamo. This manyako, Uninyero this manyako, Nabito Samba, Uninyero this manyako, Lilian Ndogo, oh, Jacob Vikis, Ferris. Lili Lenya Tinya Laje Indwana. Kawero adenya tegela ya mawagacho. Ogwele nyatigela ya gudbini nyirira ya duona deno chakocho. Oh wudulare. Ogwele wejera masikawero gunyo nyatigi karo duwocho. Onamo. Era no chakore nyatiga diamona ladamge awa tujiunge yote. Umoni moe. Haila mbize konuno wukichona na ladamge awa tujiunge yote. Kawene duwane wiri jambere lando nyatima genu moka okimana. Ogwele goje duwane wiri jambere lando nyatima genu moka okimana. Iluongo nyathi kobur. Ogwele iluongo nyathi kobur. Aile iluongo eni nyathi kobura. Oyo jaber lando. Iwero ledi nyathi manyako Uniso wada tukulugi. Udubinelis. Kawuoni wero nyathi mapura masomo Uniso wada tukulugi. Jaberine maluongi ni Ferrari ber neno chwe maber. Ya berine maluongi ni Ferrari berneno chwe maber. To inyithini maluongo Mercedes berneno chwe maber. Nyamara maluongo Fiat berneno ber maber. Ahero Brad Mary maluongo Ferrari berneno chwe maber. Odesore ani nyiri moko nonyuol maber. Owila nyiri moko nonyuol maber. Jomadongo nego yongero tatamora. Jodongo machono nego yongero tatamora. Aila jodongo machono nego yongero tatamora. Nyiri mabeyo pok onyuola tamora. Nyiri mabeyo pok onyuola tamora. Unisobera tondisore. Tutonya masogo tondisore. Kata Liliana tisobera bondisore. Haila kata Liliana duogo bondisore. Haila kata Liliana duogo bondisore. Ogwela kata jepo ket manyako bondisore. Ogwela kata jepo koth manyako sili bondisore. Nyandiga diambo ajay. Joluo monyuolo nyiri aduoga yie. Joluo monyuolo nyiri jeya yie. Ogwela piny ni manyase monyuolo nyiri jeya yie. Ogwela olemo mogi manyase monyuolo nyiri jeya yie. Mama Ferrari berneno desore. Ferrari berneno desore. Aile Ferrari berneno desore. Wachako wange dongo ya ego loli. Wachako wange dongo ya ego loli. Wachako wange dongo ya ego loli. Shima yawa. Ahero kumona gichunya dwani wadak maber. Nyamara dwaro na gichunya dwani wadak maber. Ahero kumona gichunya dwani wadak maber. Wendi paro kuacha kong'iyo mama wada. Wendi paro kuacha kong'iyo mama wada. Wabedo pinye banyisi chalna mama wada. Wabedo pinye banyisi chalna mama wada. Ani uro diebo nenyisa chalne mama wada. Ani uro diebo nenyisa chalne mama wada. Useruoko dindi soringa mama. Useruoko dindi soringa mama. Useruoko dindi soringa yuyu. Useruoko dindi soringa yuyu. Sorangi piga no nyuli godo yuyu. Sorangi piga no nyuli godo yuyu. Sorangi piga no nyuli godo yuyu. Ani nyakano nyakura. Nyamasogo nyakura. Yabara nyamasogo nyakura. Wendo nyakobura. Ahero nyajodongo chung malo mama. Ahero nyajodongo chung malo. Onege dwene pimno niera bes. Yokenye dwene pimno niera bes. Lilian Atis. Ere dwene pimno niera. Fere sokop. Adwana pimno obishade. Selema dwana pimno niera bese. Biti adwana pimno niera bese. Ahero sima wulera dwana pimno niera bese. Anira tego mako goya dwana koni niera bese. Ngamero kiwuotho godo tiwinjo nade. Ngamero kibayo godo tiwinjo nade. Ngamero nega tiwijo nade Mamiero ke mi madho tiwijo nade Mamiero kini dogodo tiwijo nade Akodu nira mese ae Anyisu nira mese ae Anyisu nira mese ae Omiyo pinyi kati timo maber Nyaka uwe Opinyi kati timo maber Totito nyaka uwe Ulimwengu kae kati timo maber Totwenge nyaka uwe Omiyo kati timo marach Tojibe nyaka uwe Omiyo ulimwengu kati timo marach Tojibe nyaka uwe Omiyo makanga biro kiere ngimani wekutro Isugo ng'amiro ka ji obedo weluor Ahera wachone isugo ng'amiro ka ji obedo weluor Nyamera nyodho ng'amiro ka ji obedo weluor Nyamera nyodho ng'amiro ka ji obedo weluor Ahera kwaka ng'amiro ka ji obedo weluor Awache kwaka ng'amiro ka ji obedo weluor Sugo ng'amiro ka ji obedo weluor Omiyo sugo ng'amiro dira ka ji obedo weluor Gitimo maber gi wuoyo Onagi kati timo maber gi wuoyo Omiyo kati timo marach gi wuoyo Time gi minena dira ni ber gi ngimani ae Onagi time gi minena dira ka ber gi ngimani ae Domo wacha waseme Domo wacha waseme Domo wacha waseme Umamonga wacha waseme Umamonga wacha waseme Umamonga wacha waseme Ilumulando nyatiko mura Rabito samba me corachogo Rabito samba me corachogo Anijare no koto mahui me corachogo Carolina rogo mama Carolina rogo mama Anile chiego mañato me corachogo Yesu ero rumo mamoriti Brown berry with a room for it. And a brown berry with a room for it. Worship and Obere
Right. This is now the war of Titans. The war of Titans. All right, ladies and gentlemen, from wherever you are watching, we hope you are enjoying this live stream. It is Ndogo Jaraah Live. Remember to follow Ndogo Jaraah on his Facebook page and account, Ndogo Jaraah. And we are live on Slim Nyarawendo Facebook fan page. So kindly like the page and follow. You can share as well. Of course, we also have YouTube channels. We have Ndogo Jaraah's YouTube channel at Ndogo Jaraah. Jaraah with Jaraah. Jaraah. Okay. You can follow him there.
Yes.
And of course, right now, there's a battle. Yeah?
People are battling.
People are battling.
Goliath
the war is still on. And the war is between Jeff K. Okoth, that is Slim Nyarawendo, versus Beatrice Auma Okech. You see?
Yes.
Last time, Beatrice won.
Okay.
Yes.
But you didn't tell me about this.
I told them about
you feature me.
And right now, Jeff K. Slim Nyarawendo has said she is winning.
She's winning.
With $200. $200. She has put $200 to buy the song of Beatrice Auma Okech. And if Beatrice Auma Okech feels that she can still battle with Jeff K,
then she's good to go. Onyalo team. Ngaba bukore.
Onyalo bukore.
Onyalo bukore.
Onyalo bukore.
Motenge pesa yawa.
Banko to Norway. So right now, special request.
Yes.
This is now not special request. This is forceful request.
Forceful request
by Slim Nyarawendo. Ile nyimbo ya wimbo ya Beatrice Auma Okech, Betty.
And
that is Jahera Nabai Ndogo Jaraah with $200.
Yes.
And if Betty feels like
she wants the song back
for Slim Nyarawendo, also she can enter. She can
do the following.
Of course. Thank you so much. Let's do this. We are still welcoming you and we hope you are enjoying. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in and watching for all this time. We love you. And of course, my name is Simi Kenya alongside
comedian Mr. and Mrs. Olinto Duaro.
Thank you so much. Let's do this. Our super team, the blessed Ohangla Band.
Jaraah, Jaraah, Jaraah. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Slim Nyarawendo, Jeff K. Okoth. Yes. Sikia Rhumba. Shiri Oromo Dina Timina. jodongo masna. Iura dia bona timina ni mama. Ani ura boni nyuniago. Habitonya jodongo mama. Iura dia mimoro chunyaga. Shiri ura boni nyuniago. Hadudonya jodongo masna. Yes. Uno ya chabangonya wino siki. Nyage Eliza, nyage Keno Doya. Nyatigi James Samnalo. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Shiri woro mudi nyuniago. Hani woro dia nyuniago. Habitonya jodongo mama. Habitonya jodongo mama. Ineni wechenge machado chunya. Ineni wechenge. Silim twende. Ineni wechenge machado chunya. Mama, toki bima kawata. Jaber bima kawata. Noino bima kawata. Jaber bima kawata, mama. Abisi wa tomorrow, mama. Abimni wa tomorrow, mama. Machado bima naga kapari. Machado bima naga kapari. Mamono chimo nyar kaocha. Mamono bayo anija era. Ina duro sipa en kamo. Yes. Ole. Shiri woro moni na eri. Shiri woro dia bige na gen. Hadudonya jodongo mama. Woro dia bige na eri. Hadudonya jodongo mama. Shemeni wechenge machadu chunyira. Yurina wechenge machadu chunyira. Mama, totibia makueti. Totibia makueti. Jara bia makueti. Jara bia makueti ga mama. Anisia wa tomorrow mama. Anisia wa tomorrow mama. Mashadogi maniga kipara. Mashadogi maniga kipara. Mamoni shimo nyar kaocha. Mami para era wakodi. Shiri mama. Yes. Kajodonga. Ailanamo. Feris okon. Salimia Omisha Day. Baba Titi and Faye. Aila mamudore moja kwadayo jara. Aila mamudore moja kwadayo jara. Pradore nyatigile ya mulinge banjo jara. Aila nyatigile kare mulinge gomu. Muju mudore magalagala. Pradore nyatigile ya mulinge banjo. Muju mudore magalagala. Nyamaro chinga wiri nani na jodongo toto. Nyamaro chinga wiri nani na jodongo. Amiyo gibiru wudi jatomu jabayo. Amiyo gibiru wudi jatomu jabayo. Nyamere gibiru wudi jatomu jachobe. Nyatewa. Nyamero gibiru wudi jatomu jachobe. Kagari siminya tejodogo gisemaga. Kagari siminya tejodogo gisemaga. Deba mapenzi nyamaru toto yuoromera. Abito nonyuol maber kakito mwando. Nyamara nonyuol maber kakito mwando mama. Apimo nugani weche ng'enye manyo kae. Onegi apimo nugani weche ng'enye manyo ka mama. Sama wuoke kadhega manyo lemo naga nyathina. Sama wuoke kadhega manyo lemo naga nyathina. Chuori no kodhega manyo lemo naga nyathiwa. Chuori no kodhega manyo lemo naga nyathiwa. Agone riti ni wero rugo. Omi agone riti ni wero rugo. Adi nyathi maro kakito mwando. Yes, jodogo yudi sagara. Wala chuto dongo. Simba maina lo mi paregi Jaraah. Simba maina lo mi paregi Jaraah. Haila maina lo mi paregi Jaraah. Yangona maina lo mi paregi Jaraah. Awera yuwaranya yadangara sana. Awera yuwaranya yadangara sana. Awera yuwaruchia yadangara sana mama.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a good time with you, and we hope you enjoyed this particular show. We have come to the end of this live performance. It was Ndogo Jaraah live, and I was your host. My name is Simi Kenya. We appreciate each and everyone who has been watching, who has shared, who has also done everything. We thank our production from the studio, Ken Adula from Ox Digital Studio. We thank Omondi Msingoe and Steve James, our camera production, and our video producers, and of course the team, the blessed Ohangla team led by the band leader Ndogo Jaraah, and of course a special thanks to our sponsor Slim Nyar Awendo. We thank you so much for that particular heart, and we wish to send our sincere appreciation to Slim Nyarawendo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. May God bless you and each and everyone who has supported this show, each and everyone who has contributed in one way or the other. We say, may God bless you. Thank you so much. Until next time, we will see you. Thank you so much. I've been your host. My name is Simi Kenya from wherever you're watching. If you are in East Africa, we say good night. If you are in United States of America, we say good day. And the UK, good night. And from wherever you are watching, we wish you a good time. Much love. May God bless you.